Morning. How's everybody? We are back with a report of the markets, the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. So, the markets have started off the week on a bit of a sour note. Seems to be a bit of profit taking today going on in the markets. However, the markets are driven by the AI optimism and obviously the lack of data, which is there because of the US government shutdown. The US markets, like I said, seem to be having a bit of a profit taking day today. When the markets have opened, it seems that all the three markets seem to dip for a little while. However, the Dow seems to be the worst of them all. The Nasdaq, not so much. Similarly, the S&P 500, not so much. And with that, Bitcoin also seems to have fallen. I think that's again a bit of a profit taking moment going on there. Uh, I think the markets are going to be driven by the optimism from AI. I don't have any concerns there. Apart from that, gold prices seem to be holding, oil prices seem to be holding, and the US dollar seems to be holding against the euro. Obviously, there are concerns with regards to US government shutdown, that is leading to weakness in the US dollar. But hopefully, that will come to an end soon, considering this has now become the second longest shutdown in the history of the US government. So, yes, at this point in time, I think markets are quite optimistic. They're absorbing some comments from Jay Powell from last week that a rate cut in December is not a foregone conclusion. He went on to say that it's far from it. But I think the markets know that a rate cut is on the cards, especially if there is further weakening in the labor market data. So far, optimism, and the markets look to rally further. So stay long on the market, stay long on Bitcoin, stay long on the on oil. I think that will climb as well. But gold is probably going to come down, and stay long on the US dollar as well, and you should be able to make some decent gains.